So today, everybody, I'm continuing my BLACKSHARK series with the SIXGILL K1, which is a 70% RGB gaming keyboard. Now, I would classify this as the middle child keyboard of the current BLACKSHARK line, with the 60% RGB SIXGILL K4 being the baby of the trio of RGB gaming keyboards offered. How does this one stack up with its younger sibling? Or does this have middle child syndrome? Well, stay a while, listen, and let's get started. So, what's in the box? We have the warranty thank you card, the instruction manual, and the keyboard itself. A striking feature of this keyboard is that it's not all simply matte black. The housing is of a gunmetal or brushed aluminum color, which is a great contrast with the keys being matte black. The keys are smooth and don't have any tactileness to it. Another thing you'll notice is the weight. This feels it has a lot more guts inside, so to speak, compared to the 60% SIXGILL K4. These only come in blue switches, which you cannot swap out. However, you can definitely swap out the keys themselves if you want. I'll keep them on as is for now, but I may swap some keys out in the future. Alright, so let's go ahead and plug this in and see what it looks like. Got my finger gloves on, so I keep this nice and clean. First, we'll go through the 8 different static RGB colors. Next, we'll take a look at the 12 different light settings. Next, we'll take a look at the 3 different surrounding light settings. Lastly, we'll take a look at the 8 different options for the surrounding lights. Here we have the different brightness settings just to show you how dim and how bright you can have the RGBs. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, let's type on these keys and listen to how it sounds like. Here, we're going to compare it to its little brother, the K4. One of the main differences is the weight, the color scheme, and the limited choices for RGB and the light settings. Another difference is that the K4 has a detachable USB-C cable, while the K1 has a built-in USB cable. In my opinion, this is one of the better keyboards I've reviewed in a while. This product has a lot of the things that I look for in a gaming keyboard. First, it is aesthetically pleasing due to the contrast of the matte black keys and the gunmetal brushed aluminum finish. Second, you have plenty of choices on the static colors and the RGB settings for not only the keys, but for the sides of the keyboard as well. I have not come across a branded keyboard that has surrounding lights as well as the RGB options that this keyboard has. I also like how the keys sound when you type on them, although they sound pretty much the same as the K4, but I did hear a slight difference, most likely due to the difference in weight of these two keyboards. I honestly don't have anything negative to say about this one here, other than just one small nitpicky design choice, which is the built-in USB-C cable. I would have preferred this unit to have a detachable USB-C cable, as if this gets bent or damaged, you're pretty much out of luck and you'll need to buy a new one. But again, it's just a small nitpick of mine. For the price of $32.99, you can't really go wrong with this keyboard. Alright everybody, hope you liked this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please consider leaving a like or a comment or even subscribe for more budget tech unboxing and reviews. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all in the next one.